Hey, it's Tom here. Good news. We're opening up our one-to-one platinum mentoring program when we have 2 spots available right now. So if you're looking for a mentor to give you the guidance, support, accountability, and all of the systems to ensure you're going to make 6 figures in the next 12 months, even if you're a complete beginner, you have no prior experience and you don't have any good technical skills, you want to go to ltsmentor.com. That's ltsmentor.com. You're going to fill in a short application and you're going to book a call so you can speak to myself and the team. So go to ltsmentor.com to apply now.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Launch 6 podcast. In this episode, me and Casper are going to be diving into a really commonly asked question, and it's something that I think needs defining. It's something that's quite important, and a lot of people sometimes get confused, especially when we start talking about cloud-based stuff and uploading stuff to the cloud. But I think it's important just to ask this. Casper, what is the cloud?
Hey guys, well, the cloud is basically an on-demand computer resource made available through the internet. It's essentially a fancy way of saying somebody else's computer. So you're always using a computer. In this case, it just happens to be a computer on the data center, in some data center somewhere that you've connected to via the internet, rather than an actual physical computer that you've got plugged into a wall and socket internet connection, which you might have like in your office.
Yeah, I mean, there's several sides to this. One being, obviously, from a user perspective. Now, the cloud basically means that you can have a service, Google being one, we love Google, that is based purely online, and you have got storage, email, all of these functions, but they're stored elsewhere, not with you. They're stored elsewhere. Hence, they use the group, the name of the cloud. But in from another side, if you go from kind of an infrastructure side, there is a physical place that things are stored, aren't there?
Yes, yeah, there's always going to be a physical computer, but the benefit of using the cloud is that you don't have to worry about any of the hardware maintenance, overhead, any of that. It's all been outsourced. So the data center handles the computer, all of the physical connections, literally all of that stuff. You just get to interface with that computer and run your software.
And, I mean, previously, if we imagine, people used to have their own hard drives, their own spaces that they would run in a company. I mean, I remember working for a company a long time ago, they had this big box in the corner where all their files were stored, and it was sort of like, wow, that's quite a heavy bit of infrastructure to have in place.
Yeah, a lot of companies still have their own private servers. We've got a few private servers as well that we kind of mess around on. We use for development, all sorts of purposes. But yeah, we do make heavy use of the cloud because oftentimes we don't want to have to be dealing with hardware.
Yeah.
We just want to be able to kind of quickly deploy something without all of the setup.
One of the other big benefits, I suppose, from our listeners' perspective to you guys, getting into your business, you've maybe just started your business, is that ability to access your files anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection, which to me, when you come back to sort of looking at your lifestyle design, is huge. If you can create your business so that you are geographically free, that's going to change your life. Even down to the point I remember when I set up, we have a virtual office. We do, and essentially that office, we have a team there, and they collect all of our physical mail. So we don't deal with any of our physical mail, meaning that essentially we can be anywhere in the world. And the same goes for having cloud-based services in that regard. I think it's so powerful. And I mean, gaining access to cloud-based stuff now, it's so easy, isn't it? With Google, for example, with Microsoft, everyone's got a cloud-based kind of ability, if that makes sense. So yeah, guys, I hope that's helped define something for you. For some of you guys who may have had a little
it's
bit
a
of
term
unclarity.
a lot of people throw around.
Yeah, but don't actually know what it is.
But it's just essentially outsourced computer.
Yeah. So guys, we hope that's been of help. We hope that's been informative, as we always try to. And we'll look forward to catching you on the next podcast. Take care.
Catch you later, guys.
Hey guys, it's Tom Ash. We hope you guys have enjoyed the episode as much as we've loved putting it together for you. Please guys, do us a huge favour. Hit that love button, hit that subscribe button and review us on Apple iTunes. We do read the comments. We want to improve our content and give you guys the best that we've got. Equally, the best comment, guys, we will shout you guys out, and we are giving out free courses. So guys, please come hit that love button, leave us a review, and we'll catch you on the next podcast, guys. All the best. Take care.